Any mention? Item number 1.
Summarize this matter. So final hearing today.
Final hearing today.
The two matters, they are connected matters. So final hearing.
What is this appeal number 8?
Malad.
What is in this last order? This earlier Chief Justice recorded. In view of the fact that WA number 8, let's appeals. What is number 8? Number 8. Yeah, see the order. What is it? See, Dr. N. Mozika so-and-so has submitted one of the issues involved in the appeal. It's also an issue in WA8 of it. What is WA8? How you not know?
The similar matters.
Where is that WA8?
It's not listed.
Why? Then what are we to do then? There's a judicial order.
End up together.
Then we have to place this matter before the Chief Justice for another order. The judicial order we can't ignore.
Well, what I pray, let WA number 8 also be listed together. Well, so next.
How can we order that? CG is the master of the roster.
The order is only to the effect to list together.
The only thing is that you should have alerted the court at that point of time. It's all first time it's come after November.
Yes.
Oh yes. So Chandra, what is your input in this situation?
Yes.
Actually, this issue is settled issue, my lord.
Yes.
This issue is settled.
No, we're not talking about the merits of the case. We're talking about the judicial order that's staring in our face. Here, this order passed by the ex-Chief Justice. Forget the issues. Issue.
Two other appeals are pending, madam.
Similar, where the same issues are.
What are those?
More or less.
What are those?
They all yes or no.
Huh?
Yes or no.
You give the numbers.
Mr. Chanda's case. There is the number, madam, number 8.
And which other ones?
Number 9.
WA number 9 also. Take up when the matters have been called out for hearing. It is noted that this court, by order dated 19/11/2025, had recorded that writ appeal number 8 of 2025 was common in issue, but had an issue in common with the instant appeals. Stop. However, the said writ appeal number 8 is not listed before this court today. Stop. Further informed, next paragraph, by Dr. N. Mozika and GSEI that another
WA number 9.
writ appeal number 9 is also connected. 9 of 2025.
Yes.
Yes. In his view of the matter, let A8 and 9 be listed together with the current appeal for hearing. When?
I'm here, Mr. Chandra.
3 weeks, madam. After 3 weeks.
Why 3 weeks?
2 weeks, madam. Then 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
In fact, in those matters is fixed today, madam. The date is given today, not listed.
Oh.
After.
Then can we host it? Registry to, we'll have to score out that other parts since listed today. Oh, no, before that matter. No, yes. This is the matter. Place the connected records for Honorable Chief Justice for orders on outer site. Yes. I should have been alive to this. I was wondering because the two numbers are 45 and
After 2 weeks, my lord.
yes.
After 2 weeks.
Will please let it come before the Chief Justice. She will give the order because if it's correct that they are supposed to list it today, but she's not station. Yes.
Any mention?
Very pleased, Your Lordship. Item 26. They have filed a rejoinder yesterday. I have received today morning, so I need little
Lordship, the
time.
petitioner, Lordship. We filed a rejoinder yesterday.
I have received a copy, so I have to send it to office. So if it can come up after
20?
26, Your Lordship.
26.
26 is for hearing?
Hearing.
Yes.
Your Lordship, no objection, Lordship.
After 2 weeks?
I talked to Dr.
Yes.
Hello, Lordship.
Deeply obvious.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 21, Lordship.
My lord, 21 and 22, my lord.
Connected,
Rajabaras.
Lordship.
I have no objection. They have been
We have
filed.
objection?
No, my lord, no objection. We have already filed a report, my lord. It's up to them.
Yes. 21 to 2.
Obliged, Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 23, Lordship.
My lord, no objection.
Pay for 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 38. 2 weeks' time may be given for filing a rejoinder affidavit, Your Lordship.
38 is in the list for mediation. Yes. Who's your senior?
As Jindal, Your Lordship.
Tell him he's been misinformed. Yes. Follow the list.
If I may make a
Yes.
mention, Lordship, of item 24, Lordship.
Yes.
Mr. Day is out of station today. I'm praying for a short adjournment of 2 weeks.
Prohibition?
Lordship. Mr. Day is out of station today. It's a district council matter, Lordship.
We argue most of the matters, more than him, so what's the problem?
Instructed, so Lordship. These are official instructions, Lordship. Kindly have it after 2 weeks.
Where's
I've
the
informed Mr. Moomin, Lordship.
Well, you informed him?
Mr. A.G. Moomin. Obliged.
Supplementary list item number 1.
My lord, this is a case where we're praying for regularization, my lord, as she has been working in the Department of the Social Welfare, my lord, and initially she was posted at Thales since 2010, my lord. It's been more than 15
2010?
years. Yes, my lord, more than 15 years in the sanctioned post, my lord. And my lord, there was also her name was recommended also, my lord, for regularizations at one point of time, my lord. Some of our colleagues were regularized, my lord, but her case left out, my lord, without any reasons, my lord.
My lord, I have to take instruction, my lord.
He said there's a P.O.Ban and counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Must argue for all of them.
My lord, yes, all the
Must ask
respondents.
police be present, except we have all the respondents. No further notice called for. List after 2 weeks for instructions or activities.
My lord, no, obliged.
Item number 2.
What is this?
Please, Your Lordship. Well, the petitioner's grievance relates to non-disposal of her application for prior sanction for transfer of her property under the Land Transfer Regulation Act. But she's applied for application on 10/5/2022. A survey was also carried out of the property and they detected an excess area. Thereafter, a recommendation was made to the government for regularization of that excess area into her plot of land. Now, that's been pending till today.
My lord, we can dispose of, my lord. Department can be directed. Time frame may be given.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. That's acceptable, my lords.
Where's the representation?
Well, it's the representation.
Page 23, my lord. 23.
There's the last representation lordships will find at, in fact, it's a notice at page 77, 22nd October 2025.
77.
Yes, my lord. I've also adverted that this is a case of a deemed sanction because 6 months have already elapsed.
You transfer from whom to whom?
From myself to my son and my grandchildren.
And there's no bar.
Should not be exactly. my lords.
But devolution. It's not for transfer.
No, we are gifting it, my lord, during her lifetime.
Okay. Take down. The petitioner before this court is the owner and possession of plot number 19.
19.
RR Colony.
RR Colony.
Situated at RR Colony, Kumpring, Shillong. Stop. who had sought to transfer the same by way of gift to her son and grandson. In this regard, it is submitted that an appropriate application under the provisions of the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971 had been made before the revenue authorities, who thereafter had conducted a survey on 11/10/2023, wherein an increase of 263.05 square meters was detected. As the grant of permission is submitted, as the grant of permission was pending without any substantial progress, the petitioner had issued a legal notice to the Deputy Commissioner Revenue, who in response informed that, the petitioner was informed that the approval of the competent authority for the regularization of the excess area of the petitioner's plot was still awaited from the Revenue Department. The petitioner, it is submitted. What's the age now?
She is aged lady, 91 man.
Of 91 years old, and as such has been compelled to approach this court seeking directions that application dated 10/5/22
Lordship, 10/5/22
for the said plot be expeditiously disposed of. It's also been submitted that as considerable time has been taken, deemed sanction under the Act is also a deemed sanction that all that is, it can also be as before that. Even consummate time has elapsed. Direction will be issued for registration of the purchase gift deed and also to regularize the excess area of 260.45 square meters. Also take into account the deemed sanction as per the Act. Next paragraph. You must argue only on the submissions submitted as the limited prayer at this stage only for disposal of the
Application.
of the petitioner dated 10/5/2022.
But that's my original application. Let them dispose of my representation. My lord.
Yes, sir. Where's representation?
Well, it's, this is at page 77, 22nd October 25.
Page 27.
Page 77. My lords.
Come now. The representation of the petitioner dated 22/10/2025. Direction will be issued to direct the Deputy Commissioner Revenue. Respondent number. The respondent. Respondent number.
4, my lord.
Respondent number 4 and 7 to dispose, or before dispose the same.
And also the application for regularization, because they have made a recommendation to the higher authorities.
Respondents dispose the same stuff. On hearing the counsel of parties and as seen from the affidavit annexed petition that the writ petition is 91 years old, it is therefore directed that the application and the representation of the petitioner be taken up and disposed of as expeditiously as possible, preferably in a period of 1 month from the date of copies orders presented before the Deputy Commissioner of Revenue.
Highly pledged, my lord.
Matter stands disposed of. As ordered, matter stands disposed of.
Item number 3.
What is it?
This matter, my lord, pertains to the District Council, my lord, invoking the Millennium Sameship Act. For removal of the same.
Removal is aim?
Yes, my lord. The process has started, my lord, under Section 7.
Where is the act?
My lord,
the next year.
The lordships will find in the book. H. 317. 317. 317? 317.
I know. Apply. Which volume are you looking at?
Volume 2. Volume 2.
Yes.
What's it? Volume 2, huh?
You have annexed it to writ petition?
My lord, I have annexed only the rules, my lord.
Where's the act? Where's 7? Where's it here? But yeah. Yes, 315.
Page 321, my lord. Section 7.
Section 7 is at page 321, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, they have invoked this section. This section reads, my lord, term of office of the same, my lord. The same shall hold office during his lifetime from the date of his appointment. However, in the event of any complaint, against the functioning of the same, which prima facie...
Proviso 1. Right, the complaint same he brought not.
Yes, ma'am. So this is a process. The allegation against me is under subsection C, that is, has been conducting himself in a manner derogatory to his office, and also, my lord, E, subsection E, he violates any customary rights and practices prevailing in this aimship. So as on today, the impugned order, they have put into motion the proviso number 1, my lord. That is, when there is a complaint, the complaint has to be
before Darbar Hima.
Before the Darbar, my lord. And, my lord, the impugned order, your lordships will find at page 32 and extra 1. This is dated, my lord, 11th of February 2000.
What are complainants?
My lord, there are no complainants. The respondent, the respondent themselves are the complainant in this particular case. Now, if your lordship sees the subject, the first word starting with the subject is complaint against.
Seen this complaint against William.
Yes, there's no complaint, my lord. Yes, there's no complaint. Nothing has been served upon me. No complaint has been served upon me. And
correct, Mr. Dino.
No. He has been informed. He has been informed of all the charges, even prior to.
Carry on.
My lord, there is no complaint. No complaint has been served upon me, which I am to place it before the Hima Darbar. Number 1. Number 2, my lord, if your lordships kindly go through the content of the impugned order, it talks about, my lord, if I may read, it says, I am directed to bring to your information that as this aim of Millennium, you have failed to credit the 10% of the gross income derived from the Ilaka to the District Council since 2022-23, 23-24 and 24-25 as per section 11.5 of the Khasi Hills District Establishment in Control Market Regulation 1979. Take that out.
Yes.
That is the first allegation, my lord. And the 1/8 of the district council as per the resolution of 1953 for the budget estimate of the year 24-25. This is a second allegation, a second issue, I would say issue, my lord. Further, despite the approval being cancelled by the executive committee, white letter dated 28th of March 2025, you had continued with the collection of toll tax for the markets within the Millennium Aimship, which is found to be incomplete disregard of the executive committee, KHDC. By such action, it appears that you have conducted himself in a manner derogatory to his office and has undermined the authority of the executive committee of KHDC, as well as violated the customary rights and practices prevailing in the Aimship as provided under Section 7, subsection C and E of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District's Appointment, Succession of SAM, Deputy SAM, so-and-so Act 2007. The Executive Committee hereby directs that you shall convene a Darbar within 1 week, only 1 week, my lord, to take up
Darbar Hima?
Yes,
1 week?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, yes.
Take up the above issues without fail. Failure to comply with the direction will invite appropriate action against you. Now, I'll just show your lordships what had happened previously. Now, the first issue regarding 10%, my lord. 10% is regarding the 19...
So you've given notice about this, the 10% you're not,
yes, my lord.
not given.
No, I was given notice. Now, that is a totally separate proceeding because that is under the regulation of 1979.
Market regulation.
Yes, my lord. So, if I have failed to comply by the provisions of that regulation, action has to be taken under that regulation. You can't use some other regulation or some other act to arm twist. Now, the issue, my lord, regarding the 1979 10% share of the market revenue, my lord. Now, these markets within the Millennium Aimship, my lord, were since time immemorial before the my lord, enactment of this regulation of 1979. So, my lord, with regard to that issue, we had written a letter. If your lordships kindly come to page 46. Page 46, this is a letter dated 24th October 2024. So this issue has been going on since 2024. This is a letter by us to the District Council. The translated copy your lordships will find at page 47. So, in terms of this letter issued by us to the District Council, at page 49, now your lordships will find the letter from the District Council exempting us.
No, this is exempted 19th
December 2024.
Okay.
So basically, my lord, in our letter we say that we have never paid the 10% as per the regulation of 1979 because we were not required to, because our markets were, my lord, much before prior in time, my lord, before the regulation. So this is the exemption. Now, with respect to the second issue of 1/8 share of the revenue, now your lordships may kindly, they are relying on the resolution of 1958, my lord, which is at page 52, Annexure 7.
Yes.
Now, this is a House resolution, and your lordships will see that the typed copy is at page 59.
Yes.
So when the motion was moved, if your lordships kindly have the first page, first half of the page, the motion was, my lord, for 1/8 of the income.
Yes.
This is a resolution of 31st March 1953. So the resolution moved, the motion moved was for 1/8 of the income to the purse of the same, my lord.
Yeah.
2/8 of the income to the school, 3/8 to the establishment, and 2/8 to the district council. This was the motion. Ultimately, my lord, your lordships now kindly come to page 67. This was what was adopted. So proposal was that 2/8 will go to district council. But what is the page 67, my lord? This is very important, my lord.
Yes.
Page 67 is the resolution, my lord. It says 1/8 of the income to, the word uses to, my lord.
Yes.
To the purse of the same. 3/8 again to the school.
Yeah.
2/8 to establishment. 1/8 to reserve fund. 1/8 at the disposal. It does not say to, at the disposal.
No, it means that 1/8 you have to, but that's understanding also the 1/8 has to go of the income has to go to the district council, though it's not followed.
Yes, my lord. But the word here is, my lord, at the disposal. It does not say to. That means if required, it doesn't mean every year I have to pay them. If required, they can utilize the fund for any other purpose, for whatever purpose. Now, my first argument on the resolution is, my lord, resolution is not a law. It's just a motion, my lord.
But then it's been adapted. I think in the act is there 1/8, yeah? Not there.
No, it's
Not in the act, my lord, it's as per.
Now, that is the second line of argument, my lord.
Yeah.
This resolution was adopted in the absence of rules. Now, subsequently, act has come, my lord. The administration of...
But in the Revenue Act, it's not there 1/8 here to go to the council.
No, my lord, it's not there. Now, my lord, kindly have this, the third issue, which they say that we have, my lord, barred you from collection for the year 25-26. Now, my lord, our power to collect, my lord, arises at page 68. That is the rules framed under the Act.
Yeah.
The rules are, my lord, Administration of Millennium Sameship Rules 2015. Now, our power to collect taxes, my lord, arises from this Act or from these rules.
Yeah.
Your lordships may kindly have page 78, rule 6. Rule 6 provides, my lord, for budget. It provides a very detailed, my lord, procedure, how a budget has to be prepared. Now, important is rule 7, revenue administration.
Yes.
So, rule 7 provides, my lord, this aim and his darbar, not this aim alone, and his darbar. Here, action is being taken against this aim alone. While the rule says this aim and his darbar shall have the right.
This act has been tested also before division
Yes, my lord.
bench.
Yes, my lord.
And this is
Yes, my
upheld.
lord. Yes,
with
my
regard
lord.
to administration.
Yes, my lord.
Then
Now, my lord,
what is this executive committee doing then? Why have regarding markets, and how can they transgress?
exactly, my lord. Now, kindly have page 120, where they talk about 1/8 share.
But your submission is that they have prohibited the easing of the markets.
My lord, they have prohibited collection altogether. I'll just show you, your lordships, that order.
How is that possible, Mr. Dingdo? Because all same shape they depend on the markets.
That was way back, nearly a year ago, that order was passed, for whatever reason. No, my lord, what I'm saying here, this is a writ of apprehension, my lord.
No.
He is
just a
apprehending.
moment. Process has started, my lord. We have been directed to hold the darbar.
But it's very disturbing. If it's very disturbing in the way that, see, firstly, you can't convene a darbar hima in 1 week.
Yes, my lord.
Number two, is that, you
and
see, you have to look, you have to take in perspective the entire thing. You can't just upset, if you have any personal agenda against anybody, that's different.
There's
but
no
you
personal-
can't translate a personal agenda, like whatever they may have, into something which, which upsets the entire administrative system of these.
That's why, my lord, we are
If you are
following.
there to uphold a custom,
the whole intent of
is within
6th schedule
that
is.
you act,
My lord, we are
free.
following the
Page
act.
219. Lord, page 219, last page.
Because all these are merits, my lord.
No, of course, the matter, but even then,
Now, on law, my lord, what I have shown is.
what I know is that you can't, see, if you have customary markets in every same ship, from Langren to, from east to west.
This is not only the case of markets, my lord.
No, you see,
My
don't.
lord, we are following. We may remove, we may suspend, we may terminate his service also, but we have not come to that. My lord, as per the Act, it has to be brought before the Dorbarima. And that's what we have did.
Anyway,
My lord, page 219, the third allegation, where they have
how will you survive then? As it is, you don't get any help. Yes.
page 219 dated 17th of December 2025. Show cause notice. It reads, my lord, white letters under reference, you have been duly informed by this office that the approval for collection of Musur from the market of Williams Aimship for the year 2025-26 has been cancelled. Further, it has also been brought to your notice that the perpetrated works order issued by you do not specify the amount payable so and so. Despite the aforesaid letter issued to you, you have failed to comply with the directions contained therein and continue to blatantly collect tolls from the market contrary to provisions of 1979. I've just showed the administration rules of 15, my lord. Our power to collect my lord, taxes arises from there. Now, my lord, coming to the impugned order. From the facts, my lord, it's clearly a case where there is a dispute of finance between the district council and the same. A financial dispute, my lord.
Page?
No, my lord, in the entirety, my lord, that we are not paying 10%, we are not paying 1/8, we are collecting despite the direction, the bar put in by district council to collect.
No,
now,
see,
this is an internal dispute.
See, the thing is that you go at history now.
Yes.
It's not a district council market. This the markets of Imam William.
Yes.
Then how can you stop them like
Correct, my lord.
floating the tender or collecting toll?
No, in fact, we have stopped them because they have not floated tenders.
No, that's not reflected.
No.
You stop the collection of toll.
No. If he's saying that is a thing, if they want to follow the Act, they have not even auctioned the markets for the past 5 years.
But beside the point, the thing is that it's within the jurisdiction to run his markets. Yes. That we cannot. There's a clear distinction. Because if you look at the decision, also that doesn't fall. It falls within Aimship, Williams Aimship, and
but under the Act, under the Market Act,
of course, under the revenue and the market regulations. But the thing is that now that is a different matter. If you see, you have not leased out, you have not had open tender. It's for the market. That's a different thing. But to say to stop collection of tolls from markets,
they have never challenged this order, man.
Now, my lord, coming to the question of law.
This order, which was passed 8 months ago, and now
coming to the question of law. Question of law here is they have a financial dispute with us, which is a civil dispute.
What financial dispute will?
I mean, they have claims against us. They have claims against us. For that, my lord, they cannot be the complainant and use the Williams Aimship Act and Section 7 to say that there's a complaint against you. They are the complainant, they will adjudicate, and they'll be the judge, my lord. Now, my lord, the legal phrase, my lord, nemo judex in causa sua. No one should be the judge in their own cause. This is the exact case, my lord. So, my lord, this impugned order itself is bad in law, my lord. It cannot stand, my lord. Principles of natural justice has been violated. They have not served me any complaint whatsoever because there's none. They are the complainants. So, my lord, as on today, I am praying for a notice, my lord, and stay of this impugned order, my lord.
Yes,
my lord will
how do you see? The thing is that whatever it is, you can't dislocate, the entire.
We are not.
Process. See, the thing is that firstly, what is disturbing, number one, is that how Darbar Hima is convened. Within 1 week, is it possible to convene Darbar Hima? That is practically impossible. Number two, now, if you dislocate the revenue administration, whatever might be the system in place, but then that is within his own.
We have not said anything. My lord, we have
elections.
There's a series of correspondence between the District Council and the CM. It is only when he has failed to, he has not abided by any of the our orders, and that's why, my lord, as per 7, the proviso, we have said place it before the Darbar Hima. If we want to, we could have taken action. If my friend says that Darbar Hima should not be held, all right, let it go on record.
Is that a question not being held?
Yes.
It's a question of the, it's a question of the entire, starting from the complaints. Yes.
It's a series of correspondence. My lordship, this court cannot stop us from proceeding with the inquiry as against him. We have not come to any finding. What I'm saying is that there's a writ of apprehension.
Writ apprehension, yes, but then if all the signals point out to it's what to say, not writ apprehension, a writ of.
Well, it was held in the case of the CM of Maharam. Judgment is there.
What does judgment say? But in this case, this court will
No,
I also have a constitutional judge, constitutional
I'm only on the point of
bench
notice.
judgment, my lord.
Only on the point of
On
notice.
principles of natural justice.
See, the thing is that, Mr. Dingo, like, it's,
I'll come to para 10.
yes.
The second proviso in the considered view of this court is but a procedural safeguard to ensure the adoption of principles of natural justice in such proceedings, inasmuch as it has been provided that the same shall not be removed or suspended from the office unless he is given an opportunity of being heard. Though a lot has been made out about the conflict between these two provisions, to the mind of this court, the need for harmonious interpretation or construction does not even arise, as these two provisos are on separate footings, as only on compliance of the first proviso, the matter can be taken up by the respondent district council and the same be dealt with in accordance with law. So that's what we have done. We said, as per the act, place it before the Darbar Hima. We have not taken any decision as on date.
That's why I'm saying, look, it's to arm twist. The act has been invoked to arm twist.
In fact, this proviso also was inserted at their instance, because the district council shouldn't act in a biased manner. So there's very similar provision, Mala, in the Milliam Sameship. We have not decided anything as on date.
But even then, Mr. Dingo, notwithstanding the impugn order, somebody well advised, like in matters of will affect these revenue generation of these aimships and also how manner they operate. There has to be some balance. You cannot go by by one knee-jerk reaction. You remember that now, like they are occupying a position of importance at the council.
Yes.
And come under scrutiny everywhere, because whether they are really discharging the function, what was envisaged.
Yeah, because my lord, for the past,
for them is to handhold. It's not to it's not to so terrorize.
We are not. In fact, my lord, for the past 5 years, my lord, for the past 5 years, they have not paid a single amount to the district council.
We have paid, my lord, as a token.
As a token, here they come as a token. Perhaps, my lord, the earlier executive committee
is not bound to pay, but we are paying, my lord. Lord, constitutional bench judgment, my lord, on natural justice.
Those are merits of the case, my lord. As I said, we have not taken any decision as on date.
But you arm twisting.
See, one thing also, Mr. Dindo, can you face an inquiry where the conclusion is foregone?
No, but
where's the balance? You must show, there's a balance. The question, even that very fact, like it strikes on for 1 week, the Hima, impossible. Anyway, take down the instant writ application has been filed assailing the impugn order dated 11/02/2026, whereby the respondent district council has on complaints against the writ petitioner on 3 counts. 3 counts, correct?
Yes.
Firstly, the non-crediting of 10% of the gross income. Second, the non-deposit 1/8 share. And thirdly, the continued collection of toll tax from the markets within Williams Imship. So, in this context, the executive, the executive committee of number 2, number 2 has taken recourse to section 7C and E of the Khasi Autonomous District, bracket upon succession of Chief Rules of 2007, to direct for the convening of a Darbar Hima within 1 week to take up the above issues. Stop. That's been submitted by the Learned Counsel, Mr. Nobri, that for the petitioner, Mr. Nobri, counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner has never been served with any formal complaint on these allegations, nor given a proper forum to show cause as to the proposed action and for the calling of the Darbar Hima, which he submits has a direct bearing on his proposed removal. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Proposed removal from office. It is further submitted that though correspondence exists between, it's further submitted that the dispute mainly between, dispute if any, between the respondents and the petitioner is only a financial dispute, not amounting to the course of action that has been proposed. So, further, the council also submitted that in the entire sequence of events, natural justice, the principles of justice have been violated, inasmuch as it is the respondent themselves who are the complainants, and also it is the respondent themselves or the authority to adjudicate on these complaints. Further, it's reiterated that before the impugn order was passed, no reasonable opportunity has been provided to the petitioner to answer these said allegations. Next paragraph, Mr. T.D. of the Senior Counsel, on behalf of the respondents, has submitted that whatever action has been taken by the respondents is in accordance with the Act, and that it's for this reason that the writ petitioner has also been given the opportunity to convene the Darbar Hima to discuss on the charges as leveled against him. It is further submitted that it is not a case where the same has been suspended or removed without due process, but is merely a writ of apprehension. So, what's the other submission for that, Maharam?
Relied on that before we can take any decision, it has to go before the Darbar Hima.
Yes. If Lasi submits that,
in terms of the Act.
Yes, Lasi submits that the apprehension of the writ petition is unfounded, as much as before any action is taken, the same will have to be discussed and deliberated in the Darbar Hima itself. We therefore submits the no interference is called for, and the respondents are permitted to proceed in accordance with law. So, this court has, having heard the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and also examined the materials report, especially the impugn order dated 11 February 2026. It appears as submitted by the counsel of the petitioner that the complaints are on three grounds, and also Darbar Hima called for within 1 week from the within 1 week for the issues to be taken up. Though it is seen that the matter received attention and correspondence exists with regard to the non-fulfillment of the obligations with regard to the remittance of the share of revenue to the council, What, however, strikes his court at this stage is with regard to the other charge, other charge of collection of toll tax from markets. Inasmuch as this aspect is governed by the market regulation of 1979 and also the rules with regard to revenue administration of Millennium Steamship. So, further, the aspect that Darwin Hima has been directed considered in 1 week, which shows the case at which the matter provided. Like para be that it may at this stage, the red petition made out a prima facie case for interference. Accordingly, the impugn order dated 11/2/2026. Because it may, without dwelling on the other issues that have been raised at this stage, the red petition made a prima facie case for intervention, and as such, for some interim protection, and as such, the impugn order dated 11 February 2026 shall remain stayed until the next date. So, respondent to file the affidavits by 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, yes. Thank you.
Item number 4.
His Lordship, this is just application to impeach a newly appointed secretary to JGTC.
We strike off Ricardo?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's only for impleement, but I pray that Ricardo may be struck off.
Yes.
You take down this case number 1 of in contempt petition number 39. So this is an application for impleadment of the new incumbent, Sri Peter Amarak. The secretary of the committee is with so the only Director of this council as necessary party respondent. In view of the fact that the earlier incumbent has since demitted office. Stop. Next one, similar objected to by Mr. S. Deb, the respondent name herein, CPT R. Marak. Peter R. Stop Marak shall stand impeded as party respondent. You have to leave until you file for striking off.
Must rest, Lordship.
Rest.
Daily list item number 1.
Made, Mr. Lordship. Lordship, we file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
You file your?
Affidavit, Your Lordship.
The state has filed its affidavit. This is that freight matter.
That's freight matter, Your Lordship. That
8 rupees.
8
rupees.
I'm appearing for 5, 6, and 7 minutes.
Newly entering appearance today.
Entering appearance today, madam.
Mr. Sutunga for?
For 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, Lordship.
And for 14, 15, 16.
1 second.
state is
1 to 4 is
Now,
I'm 5, 6, and 7 minutes.
5, 6.
regular commercial truck.
Yes, ma'am.
5,
6, and 7.
6, and 7. Yes, then I take down. Then, what about 8, 9, 10? You appearing?
I am appearing.
8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13.
11, 12, Mr. UK Sutunga. 8 to 13.
8 to 13.
Then 14 to 16.
14 to 16, Mr. Shilla is appearing.
He already appeared earlier.
Yes, madam. He has appeared on the last occasion.
Today entering appearance.
Yes, we have entered.
Today, Dr. N. Mozikan is DI. Oh, sorry, senior advocate, and the appearance on behalf of respondents 5, 6, and 7. Similarly, Mr. E.P. Sutunga, Learned Counsel, and the appearance on behalf of
8 to 13.
the respondents 8 to 13. Stop. As such, all respondents have been served. It is also submitted by the state respondent that affidavit has been filed.
Lordship.
It's
How
been
much time
filed
required
yesterday.
for
madam.
affidavit?
2 weeks time.
Yes,
Well, it's your lordships would recollect that this was one matter where my lords had already formed some prima facie opinion in the matter. Plus, they've appeared today. Let them file a response. I'm only praying, my
so
lords.
they file a response. Let's see what they say. Can he go against the law? That's all.
Can't, my lords. So
there's hardly anything to be
we
argued.
are only praying, my lords, that the matter may not be delayed, my lords. That's the only difficulty, because it's creating a lot of, because there is my modification application which is also pending before my lords.
See, who was the senior counsel appeared here before?
Mr. Mukherjee is there, my lords. Mr. Mukherjee is still there in the matter.
See, the thing is, we have to give them opportunity. File, put in the affidavit.
No, very well, my lords. I can't oppose the affidavits.
Yes.
I can't oppose the
Yes,
affidavits.
then take Dr. N. Mozika, Lancing Council for 5, 6, 7, and for so and so. Up to 13 free for not 2 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Well, may I
permit
pray,
to file rejoinder in the meanwhile to the state affidavit.
well, it's,
Yes.
Lordships, may I pray that the matter come up on the 13th of March?
Then you take a date of court, Mr. Yes.
Well, it's for admission hearing, because by then, my lords, if they file their affidavits, we'll conclude our pleadings and the matter can be taken up.
Okay, let's on 13 of March
Friday.
for admission hearing.
13 is Friday. 13
Item number 2.
Obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
16 or 17.
No, don't take 13. Friday is some very bad dates for this court. Some reasons have not
not on
traveled
Friday,
short
your
notice.
Then, my lords, let it be on 16th, because 16th is a Monday. 16th.
Yes.
Obliged, your lordship.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
But here the
What happened? Division bench.
appeal is still pending.
Where's the petitioner?
Your lordship.
You're there.
Yes,
What has
your
happened to
lordship.
the division bench?
Your lordship, the appeal is still pending, your lordship.
Still pending. Okay.
Yes, your lordship.
I submitted the appeals pending consideration for division bench. This matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
2 and 3 minutes.
4.
Lordship.
Lord will be filing a rejoinder in the course of the day. But they have filed affidavit, my lord, not on merit but challenging the maintainability. Lord.
No, it is on preliminary issue.
Yes, my lord.
It's all right.
So we'll file a
Have you
rejoinder.
objection to the you filed objection to the application of maintainability. Have you filed a
They file no, my lord. They file a counter affidavit raising issue of maintainability. So I've filed my rejoinder today, my lord.
limited to that only?
Yes, my lord.
It's all right then. Mr. J. Shilla, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner, submits a rejoinder to the challenge to maintainability be filed in the course of the day. Yes. Yes, on permission hearing.
Yes,
on
2 weeks time.
2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Let's relax the timing. There's no urgency. Yes.
No, then 1 week, my lord.
5.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
5.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time to file my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
What rejoinder? Yes.
Lordship,
Interim order
notice.
has been vacated, my lord, on the last date. So it's a transfer matter.
Yes.
Oh, then what rejoinder you want to file? The transfer application against transfer.
Yes, sir.
He's been transferred.
It's been transferred.
Movement orders issued.
Yes.
Then what remains?
Your Lordship, notice may be issued to respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
Why?
Because his reply is necessary, Your Lordship.
Who's upon number 5? Why?
You file affidavit.
Lordship, because on his instant I've been transferred, Your Lordship.
Where you transferred now? You haven't filed affidavit here, Pramodika.
We have filed affidavit, my lord. This is on the 15th.
With regard to movement orders or whatever, whether he's moved or whether he's been transferred. He's been transferred, then nothing remains consideration. You have any instructions?
No, Your Lordship.
Then what's the point issue notice of 5 then? 5 is already joined in your place here.
No, my lord. They are alleging malafide against number 5, my lord.
Who's number 5? He's a colonel. YG. What allegation? Let us see. Because see if he. Yes, Mr. Dev, why are you hiding?
Yes.
What allegation he has number 5?
Lordship, here, Lordship, my condition in this matter is that I have been transferred only at the instance of the respondent number 5. So the notice may be issued to the respondent because his reply is very much essential.
Where
Because,
the
Lordship,
allegation you made?
Lordship, allegation, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Paragraph 5, Lordship. Paragraph 5, page 8. And before that, Lordship, kindly come to the transfer order, Lordship. Lordship, that is
Paragraph
page.
what again? This is allegation. Unknowingly respondent 5 becomes offended.
Lordship.
That's all.
Lordship, Lordship, at
Offended
paragraph 13 and paragraph 15.
But it's already been transferred now. He's joined.
No. I'm still in the same
But
place.
to this you have replied in our affidavit, my lord.
Lordship, that is what this Lordship, they have not considered. Actually, Lordship, kindly come to the transfer order, impugn order, Lordship, that is page 25, Annex 7. This is the posting order, Lordship. That is written number 1, reference your SO2 cipher DO letter number so and so so and so. This letter has been issued by the respondent number 5, Lordship. And Lordship, kindly come to other posting letter, that is Lordship, annexure 1, page number 17. There is no such reference, Lordship. When I was earlier transferred to the existing place, there was no reference made. But only this transfer case, Lordship, a reference has been made.
Reference DO letter.
Yes, Lordship. That letter has been issued by the respondent number 5.
Interim order has been vacated.
Lordship, that is Lordship.
So then,
Lordship, his reply is necessary, Lordship. Whether my transfer was at his instance.
has notice issued to him?
Lordship?
Has notice been issued to him?
No, Lordship. That is Lordship. I am praying that notice may be issued.
Yes, Dr. Muzika. Will it serve any purpose?
My lord, we file affidavit, my lord.
Lordship.
Kindly see annexure A to my affidavit.
Annexure A.
Annexure A, my lord. Allegations levied by the petitioner stating the transfer order was issued at the instance of respondent is completely false, fabricated, and misleading. Posting order dated 25th September was issued by the respondent organizational interest on completion of viable tenure of 18 months by the petitioner under the provisions.
This will be the common stock answer.
To paragraph 40 and 280.
Exigency of.
Lordship.
And on completion of 18 months tenure, my lord.
Lordship, they are just.
He has no right to remain the postman.
Lordship, they are.
If you are transferred, we will dispose it of.
Lordship, kindly notice may be issued to the respondent, and I may be allowed to file a rejoinder also. Lordship was on last occasion. Lordship was pleased to give an opportunity to file a rejoinder. Lordship.
But notice has already been issued to 5 and 6.
No, Lordship.
Whether they have taken steps or not, that I don't know.
No.
Kindly see, my lord, order dated 15/10/25. Notice to go to 5 and 6 within 3 days. It seems that they have not taken steps also.
It's my apology. I could not.
Since
Lordship,
October,
I may be allowed to take steps, Lordship.
Since October, my lord.
No, then we will not. For your laches, don't hold a grudge. Remember, you are a member of discipline force.
Lordship.
The only thing you say is noting under which rule 20 days it can be granted. Complete leave can be availed not exceeding half the amount of half-pay leave. Please quote exact rule position. This is given to you, correct? At page 20. Yes.
Lordship, here, Lordship.
You close it, Mr. Deb.
No, Lordship, here, Lordship.
No, what do you mean by no?
Lordship, my apology. Lordship, here, I have two prayer, Lordship. First of all, Lordship, for quashing of transfer order and for disposal of my representation, Lordship.
What representation?
It's all over, my lord.
Lordship, actually, Lordship, I have prayed to the respondent that my last leg posting may be considered. Lordship, that is page 23, annexure.
Disposal of Dr. Mosika will you made allegations there against number 5?
Lordship?
In this representation, if you made allegations at number 5 here, in the representation, have you made?
Yes, Lordship.
Then let them dispose it of. As the interim order saying the transfer since been vacated, nothing substantial remains for consideration. However, Mr. Bideb has strenuously argued that the entire transfer episode was actuated by the actions of the respondent 5, to which a reply is necessary in the respondent stuff. Dr. Nmozika submits that not for Shahata. Mr. B, the Learned Counsel petition also submits that alternative prayer is for direction respondent number 2 to dispose of representation dated 27/9/2025 wherein allegations have been made against the respondent number 5 also. Yeah. Lord Mbozika, DSGI, what is submission?
That nothing remains.
Submit that nothing remains for consideration and that the matter may be closed at this stage itself. On hearing counsel parties and also considering the fact that the interim order has been vacated. However, as the presentation dated
27/9/25.
Contempt still remains unattended as per submissions of the writ petitioner. For the ends of justice, directed that the said representation be disposed of in a period of 2 months. Yes. Ordered above, matter stands closed.
Lordship, limited prayer, Lordship. Until the disposal of this representation, no courtship action may be taken against me, Lordship.
What course of action?
Lordship, for transfer and because Lordship, I have paid
What
that.
post you serving?
Lordship, I am serving as Subedar Cyber, Lordship. Subedar Cyber.
Cypher. So you're not a combatant?
No, Lordship.
He is combatant.
You're a combatant?
Subedar.
Yes.
No other direction.
Alright, Lordship. Alright. Okay.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the respondents were supposed to file their affidavit, Lordship. This, Lordship, this is that matter where, Lordship, they have been working in PhD department and, Lordship, under labs post.
Your Lordship, they were appointed under the work charge establishment, Your Lordship. Work charge has already been abolished, Your Lordship. I'll file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Well, and only court queries where's the affidavit?
I'll be
not
filing
the merits of the
a
case.
week's time, Your Lordship. Positively, I'll file.
Yes, MS Ailingwa, GS submitted affidavit be filed within 1 week. Just after 2 weeks, expected next year affidavit should be on board.
7.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
the respondent is supposed to file their affidavit, Your Lordship.
How many times? When was
This
it
is the
filed?
4th time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time. 2 weeks time can be allowed.
Ready? Affidavit?
Lordship will be ready.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, here in lieu of land donation, we are claiming on post for PH, Your
In lieu
Lordship. In lieu of land donation, Your Lordship.
Oh. He's the
weeks time,
grandfather. Oh, no, sorry, the grandson.
The father has donated the land first, Your Lordship. Now it's for the son.
Lordship, 2 weeks time can allow us. We will file our affidavit and the matter may be heard finally.
Yes, Mr. Indishwar and AG, please allowed further 2 weeks time for affidavits. Expected next year, after praise allowed, I should be on board.
Apply, Lordship.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
A.
Lordship. This didn't become rendered in practice, Lordship. I have got the instruction also. The work is over, so I'm going to withdraw. So I may be allowed to withdraw, Your Lordship, because
Mr. P.D. Sama submits that as the works which have been impugned herein have since been completed, the matters have been rendered infructuous.
Lordship.
Mr. Indishwar also concurs with the submission. According matters stands closed as being infructuous.
Apply. Must press, Lordship.
9.
Yet to be filed. The government is supposed to file. I think this matter.
Some more time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
This matter also can be sent it for
Mediation, what's the matter? What
this
is
is
claiming?
for regularization. Regularization. They have actually they have process, but then
Which
this is education department.
In
Education department.
you are working as
I'm working as a UDA, my lord. LDA.
still not regularized till now.
No.
My lord.
They have a lot of communication is there,
No,
Lordship.
I haven't seen this office yet. But then since my friends consider that they proceeded with the process, Lordship, it may be sent for mediation, Lordship.
Yes.
You sure about that?
Yes, this is letter also, Lordship. I have annexed at page 34 and for 35 where they have stated that they have sent that this Vice Principal Industrial Training Institute. This they have sent it for even for forwarding letter for regularization. Page 35 kindly have a see, Lordship. It's a type copy.
Mr. P. Sama submits that as the submits the claim in the petition for revisation, and that the respondents have already initiated the process. Therefore, prays that the matter be put up for mediation.
Lordship.
The message from the council does not have any objection. The matter to be put up for mediation, then before the mediation committee for necessary actions.
Much less, Lordship.
Please for mediation committee.
10.
Wait, please, Lordship. On behalf of respondent 3 and 4, we have filed the affidavit today, Lordship.
We're filing my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
3 and 4 whom?
Lordship,
the municipal board.
The municipal board, Lordship. 3 is Bagmara, 3 is Bagmara, and 4 is Tura.
See, we didn't pass this order, the affidavit won't come.
Lordship, we have taken instructions as early as possible, and it appears she's been paid. Lordship, I understand.
Unless we give that next date, they have to answer personally, then they file affidavit.
Because we had the issue of salary.
Affidavit has since been filed by the
3 and
4. 3 and 4.
Separate affidavits.
Yes, separate affidavits. They have been filed for 1, 3 and 4. Mr. Pasanthi is once allowed.
2 weeks time to file my rejoinder.
Rejoinder, yes. Just upon the insurance.
State affidavit will not be required.
We recorded that earlier, I think.
Yes.
11.
Yes.
Lordship, I think this matter can be disposed of at this stage itself, because the only a direction to the, I think, aim of Maharam to dispose of the application for creation of a new village.
You are appearing for number 4.
Number 4, madam.
Today itself.
Madam, if they file application or withdraw before the same, we are ready to consider in disposal.
Yes.
They never approach us.
Mr. Chalaisos entered appearance on behalf of the respondent but day 4 today. Such notice complete all the respondents. At the bar, Mr. T.D. Rindo, learned senior counsel on behalf of the respondents 1, 2 and 3 has submitted that as the matter concerns only the issuance of
creation of a new village.
Creation of a new village known as
South Rangtangsur. South Rangtangsur.
Yes, sir. South new village of South Rangasora.
Yes.
By Namaram's imship, perhaps the matter can be taken up at the level of the CM respondent 4 CM itself. Mr. Chalaiso, Leonard Senior Counsel for 4 has no objection to the suggestion and submits that on application being, you file a fresh one.
Yes, because they never filed an application. That's
On an application being put before the respondent 4, the CM will be considered in accordance with law and custom.
Lordship. Much less, Lordship.
Matter stands on the orders above matter. And dispose of it.
Deeply registered.
12.
Wait, please, Lordship. I have received the affidavit filed by the state today,
I've
Lordship.
served the copy of my affidavit in opposition to my friend, my lord. I'll be filing in course of the day, my lord. I've served the copy to him.
Advance copy.
MS Arponi submits that affidavit on behalf of the respondents.
All the
respondents, my lord.
This after 2 weeks.
For rejoinder, if any.
Yes.
Blessed.
Yes.
13.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'll be filing my affidavit in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
You receive copy?
No,
I'll be giving them a copy, Your Lordship.
MS Aliwa submits submits that the affidavit be filed in the course of the day. Just after 2 weeks for rejoinder of any.
Much obliged, Lordship.
14.
Here I'm praying for time a lot for filing of counter.
Lordship, this concerns the verification of the job card holders.
Affidavit has been filed.
No, Lord. I'm praying for some time.
Lordship,
MS M. Rahman appearing for,
for respondent number 7 and 8, Your Lordship.
and who's other also? There? You're for whom?
I'm for Your Lordship 14, 15 are connected and for responding.
Okay. Yes.
Lord, I'm praying for some time.
Let them file at the earliest, because the fate of these is still the outcome.
After it be filed within 1 week.
2 weeks,
No, Lord, I'll pray for 2 weeks.
You don't have instructions as yet.
My lord,
The only last thing you submitted.
my lord, I submitted some instructions, but I am waiting for.
Section to clarify each.
Yes, my lord. But the only thing is that I need written instructions that.
You are elected VC secretary.
Lordship.
What's each discrepancy?
Lordship, there was no verification conducted prior to the elections, Lordship.
No, that is not true, my lord.
So let them file the affidavit the earliest, Lordship. May disposed of the matter.
For the 2 weeks time is allowed to Mr. K.P. Bharatchaji Lanerji F126 and Ms. Rahman for respondent number 7. Of this thereafter. For the orders. This also for the orders.
Positively, Lordship, affidavit.
Positive. Yeah.
15. Item number 15.
One said 15 we called out. Similar order also. Same respondents.
Connected matter, my lord.
Same VC, Lordship.
Just
Same
together,
election.
yes, which one, sir? After it's been filed there?
No.
It's been filed. Then
No, no.
what same order? You are appearing, same parties appearing. Yes.
15 after the petition.
Yes. The court was Mr. Demoto. I thought that same counsel appearing. Same order. 2 weeks time for affidavit. Yes. This together with also.
16. Sixteen.
Yes. Mr. Chaudhary.
As per instruction, my lord, from my client, my lord, the order passed in WPC number 392 of 2024. My lord, this very petitioner earlier, he applied for a post, similar post, earlier year. Subsequently, my lord, in against state advertisement, against medical report, he filed writ petition. That was disposed. Next year, my lord, another advertisement was published and he applied. And this year, my lord, against RME medical exam report, he filed this petition, my lord.
So, you see the fresh cause of action?
Yes, yes, my lord. Fresh cause of action, totally. My lord.
But it appears same disease, my lord.
My lord, here in this RME report, my lord, this medical report is not same. It is also separate.
Is it included in this writ petition? But why did you not disclose the fact that he had filed a writ petition with regard to the same medical condition then?
My lord,
were you the same counsel at that
no,
time?
No, not same.
Why he didn't disclose to you that he had come to the court before and for the same medical condition you're re-agitating your case?
My lord, the medical condition not same.
Not same. What is the medical
Not
condition
same. Here in earlier, this order reflects earlier para 3, my lord.
I don't have the order. You don't have the order with me. Give a copy. Where's the order?
I will file affidavit in details, my lord. So sometime may be allowed. I will file.
You can withdraw and refile it.
No. My lord, I have fresh cause of action. So I will file in detail.
Chaudhary,
yes.
Counsel Petitioner submits that his instructions have been received and that incident petition is on a different footing from the earlier petition filed by this court, namely WPC number 392/2024. He prays to be allowed to bring the earlier, could you bring relevant materials by way of affidavit. Though this court has no objection to the final affidavit, it is not understood as to how the writ petitioner had suppressed the fact that earlier on this court had been approached by the same writ petitioner. Because it may,
My lord, advertisement is different, my lord. Advertisement
time
also
granted for affidavit. You file affidavit, yes, we'll see. We'll dispose next day. Yes.
17.
That's fine. It's for affidavit. I'm praying for some more time.
We have 3 weeks for a time as paid allowed.
For mediation. Item 27.
Your Lordship, I have no objection.
Mediation.
Where's the other side?
Your Lordship, Mr. Majum.
Eight is whom? Eight is
Only till respondent 7, Your Lordship.
27.
there's no respondent number 8 here.
My apologies, Your Lordship. I had item number 18, Your Lordship. My sincere apologies, Your Lordship.
It's 17, can I? 27. 27. Have you filed affidavit? Have you filed affidavit?
No, Your Lordship. Till now they haven't filed, Your Lordship.
Though MSGC Marbo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that they have no objection for the matter to be referred to mediation. Counsel for the respondents not present in court today, nor any affidavit been filed. Just after 1 week before the order.
28.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we're willing to go for the mediation.
Same, Your Lordship. We're willing to.
Mediation? Yes, right, the parties. Yes, yes.
Your Lordship, there's an interim order, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may the
The order
interim
will
continue.
Till after mediation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Like the order continues till for the orders. Yes.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
29.
Your Lordship, this matter can be referred for mediation, but however, the respondents are not
willing.
Lordship, we are not agreeable.
What is the matter
Your
about?
Lordship, they're seeking appointment, Your Lordship.
appointment, Your Lordship.
And we are saying
which
that
post?
they are over
Assistant professor.
Your Lordship.
Assistant professor by mediation?
Yes, Lordship.
Which to which institute?
It's not
Senate
college.
College, Your Lordship.
You appeal for Senate College?
Yes, respondent number 6, Your Honor.
For UGC?
The principal. The
For
principal.
the college, Your Lordship.
College.
HM Sarkar?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have one more prayer. Your Lordship, in our affidavit, we had relied on one letter, Your Lordship, which was subsequently cancelled, and we have inadvertently.
No, we can't have unless you have to put it by application.
Your Lordship,
not-
I'll make
not
a submission on the list.
Yes, though the petitioner is willing to put up a mediation, the respondent submit that the matter is not amenable to mediation. This, when is this date next? At least after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
30.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we've already filed our rejoinder, Your Lordship.
For mediation, you know?
We have no objection, Your Lordship, for
No
mediation.
objection?
Yes, because it was held on earlier on
No.
already.
Any objection to mediation or not?
No objection.
Right earlier on.
Before also it was sent for mediation,
Yes.
but it has been returned back, came back from mediation because
This time make an attempt. Mr.
Second
Walang.
round, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
31.
Let it go, my lord. Let it go for mediation.
Actually, Lordship, in this matter, there's nothing left. Only the
Settle mediation, you can bring out, you can write agreement and sign it there.
we have already filed
We
affidavit
understand,
also.
but let it come, you know, let them use,
It's
prepare
always-
a draft, you circulate it and then you sign it.
Always better if they can settle
It's a
among
customary
themselves.
matter, yes.
Yes, my lord. Highly obliged, Lordship.
32.
I am representing the Dorbar, my lord. So this is a perfect case for mediation, actually. The petitioners are not there, my lord.
Where he's being tactical absence. She's a pain for whom?
No, she's with me. She's in the wrong side.
Oh. What to do is Mr. Missile?
Also, Lordship, if I may, by order dated 10/02/2026, we were allowed to implead ourselves, the acting CM, Lordship, but the application is ready. We're just waiting signatures from the CM, Lordship. Before
You please, because we can't issue
Yes.
it now.
Yes, Lordship.
Those matters listed for this is a matter of the one as the council petitions absent.
All
Lordship.
33.
Yes, mediation. No.
Lordship, here, Lordship, because the dispute between two wives, Lordship, because dispute between two wives over the pensionary benefit of the deceased,
The
Lordship.
best matter of mediation is dispute between two wives.
No, Your Lordship.
No, why?
Your Lordship, the respondent number 7 don't want to share the.
That's why they have to go mediation. That's where then if the mediator is good, then you will understand and then you share. How can you say that? You're willing to share?
Lordship, we don't have any objection.
Here, as per the records, the respondent is the recorded
Right,
wife,
right.
Lordship, because her name is in the nomination.
Who's the
of
first wife?
I'm the first wife, Your Lordship.
Then you're drawing a family pension now?
No, Lordship. Because of the dispute that.
Give her something. You're willing to accept something.
Your Lordship.
You send for mediation. Tell them to come. You give her something, then you can close it. How can you fight? Yes. Yes, mediation. These matters regarding two wives, you should send for mediation.
34.
Pension and
Yes, Your Lordship.
This may be sent for mediation. Lord.
what's the pensionary benefits?
No, but he's a contractual. He was appointed on contractual basis, and thereafter his services were not renewed.
Yes.
Privilege.
35.
You're ready for mediation?
I think it's
no.
My lord,
Lord, this is 35, 36 is cancellation of mining leases.
The 36 they're not amenable to mediation.
We are amenable, Lordship.
Lordship.
Yes.
We're agreeable.
Yes.
Grateful, Lordship.
35, 36 connected matters.
You inform your senior that the matter has been placed for mediation.
37.
Mediation? Yes.
We can give it a try, Your Lordship, for mediation.
Yes.
38.
Mediation, you know. Yes.
Lord, the matter involves pensionary benefits. MECL is the.
I'll go mediation then. Yes.
Right.
39.
Lordship, may let this matter decide on merits, Your Lordship.
My lord,
They have filed the affidavit.
My lord, this case is infructuous, my lord, in my humble submission. The petitioner's prayer before Lordship is release of DCRG, my lord. And I have filed an affidavit in which we have already released it. So, my
All
lord,
4 cases?
all the 4 cases, these are connected matters, my lord.
We have prayed
So
for
my-
a delayed payment, Your Lordship. Interest and delayed payment, Your Lordship.
No, my lord. My lord, they have enclosed a chart and the sanction has come imperative with that only, my lord. My lord may have the
6 lakhs,
petition.
3,000 already paid.
Yes, my lord. My lord may have the affidavit filed also, my lord.
You're serving where?
My lord, they are teachers, my lord.
Retired teacher, Your Lordship. Hadbury High Secondary School.
Where's affidavit?
My lord, the affidavit was filed on 4th February, my lord.
What chart is saying, MS Koni?
My lord, if Lordship will have the writ petition page number 20, the DCRG due to the petitioner is 6,50,000.
But what interest?
And my lord,
How
yes.
long the delay?
My lord, this was an order by the director, and they were awaiting the sanction from the government. It has come, so my lord, it has been released.
No, how long the delay and release of the CRG?
My lord, this is not a delay, my lord. This is an increment to the DCRG, my lord. Their prayer is to release the increment to the
Where
DCRG.
which petition, which page?
My lord may have the type copy in the writ petition, my lord, page 20, my lord.
Page 20, yes. Okay.
declaration portion.
It's an enhancement amount which they have come.
Yes.
So we have released that, my lord.
We will close
My lord,
It's a question of denial.
Yes,
my lord, the petitioner herein, my lord, these petitioners were retired long time back, my lord, and the amount where the enhancement were issued, my lord, November 2024, my lord. My lord, if we count from the November 2024, the date, the admissible date, still, my lord, more than 1 year, my lord.
lord,
So we
the prayer
prayed
is
for
to this amount.
we prayed for, my lord, the interest amount, my lord.
That is
Kindly
a
fix
different
it for
issue.
hearing, my
No,
lord.
that's a fresh issue, my
I'll
lord.
place, my lord, Supreme
You should
Court judgment.
confine to the prayer.
My lord, kindly fix it for hearing, my lord. After 1 week,
You take notional interest 6%.
my lord, no problem, my lord. I'll ready to take, my lord.
You're prepared for that, yes.
My lord, yes, ma'am. I'll submit
As the
Supreme
parties
Court judgment.
submit that the matter is not in the middle of remediation, just after 1 week.
My lord, deeply obliged.
My lord, these are connected, my all the
Connecting.
39 to
39 to
42, my lord.
43.
How do you take 3% then?
My lord, these are the last. There is no pension for these teachers, my lord.
Savings bank interest. No, that is why we're going to hear it.
My lord, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Yes.
43.
Well, this matter could be referred for mediation.
How mediation? Who is where's Mr. K.S. Kharshiyan?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station.
Last time, read the last order.
My lord.
Then, what remains?
Because here, even the acting CM is yet to appear, Lordship.
Then no, let it list this as the arguing counsel for the petition is not available. This after 1 week, just to come forth the instructions. See what did he say last time? He had approached this court as acting Sardar. He's been removed also. He's not trusted anymore. So what's there to mediate? We'll close it.
We'll close it also.
Yes.
Close it.
Yeah.
By order dated 5/2/2026, the submissions of Mr. K.S. Kharshiyan had been recorded that though he had approached this court by way of instrumented petition in the capacity of the acting Sardar of Walang Kendai Kentoj Nangpong Imship, he has since been removed and replaced acting Sardar. Stop. Though he had prayed for the matters of the 3 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions. What is your name?
T. Islam, Your Lordship.
As a T. Islam appeared on his behalf, submitted no instructions have been received, and further submits the matter will be closed at this stage. According to the CM objected to Mr. C.C.T. Sangma, in view of the peculiar situation, the matter stands closed and disposed of this.
Hello, boss. Have a good.
He won't be interested anymore to give instructions also.
Hearing.
You know what kind of instruction? Yes.
Hearing. Supplementary list 5.
My pleasure, Your Lordship. My Lord, these two writ petitioners before Your Lordship, challenging the impugn order, they are from Assam Rifle, Your Lordship. Now they are working as Havildar. They are challenging the order Annexure 4, page 26-27. Lordship may look into page 26-27. Here, the final order of remastation have been issued.
1 second.
Page 26. 6. Order dated 3rd April 2024.
1 second. Sorry, excuse me.
In this list, my lord, we have undergone a rigorous course of, we have been selected by the Board of Officers for remastation from the Rifleman cadre, Your Lordship. And we have gone all the courses and other courses, orientation course, all courses we have been declared pass. But in the final approved list, our names were not there, my lord. Rigorous course.
Your names have not appeared in this list.
In the final approved list.
It has not appeared in this
final approved list.
Where is the final approved list?
Page 26.
The name has not appeared here.
It is not appeared. Therefore, we have come. After my lord, we have been selected, duly selected by the board of officers.
So you're not approved for remasteration?
Not approved because of the overage.
Oh.
Because of the overage, now they say, my lord, after when the final list was approved, and we are kept in dark. When we have been selected, no allegation of overage is there, my lord. We have been duly by the board of officers.
Yes.
By the board of officers, Lordship will find the course was 5 years for the course in page 1. The revised general instruction, page 18, sorry, my lord, annexure 1.
Yes.
This is 10th October 2022. A revised general instruction for remarcation into other states categories in Assam Rifle. This was issued by the Director General of Assam Rifle. Para 2, your lordship will find.
Yes.
Applications were invited by Dawa with reference letter from eligible serving candidates of Assam Rifles for remarcation into the following trades as per the vacancies given below. Then, my lord, there are 4 trades they have been invited application. SKT engineer, SKT medical, dental operation room assistant, and then SKT signal. Initially, we have given option willingness for remarcation in SKT medical, and we have appeared in the board of officers. Then it was advised that in SKT medical there are only 10 posts. In the right hand side, lordship will find posts, 10 posts, whereas in SKT signal there are 62 posts. 62 posts. Then we have been advised, and accordingly we have changed our option, your lordship. We have opted for SKT signal. And here, my lord, condition for SKT signal, your lordship will find SKT signal is the next page, page 19, my lord. What are the conditions? Page 19 in the last part, D. Storekeeper technical signal, rifleman with 5 years of regular service, past matriculation from a recognized board or university, past promotion cadre before final result of remarcation, past map reading standard 2, storekeeper technical signal course from army or the central police organization institution. Medical category must be
35 years.
35 years. 35 years. Our conversion application is, my lord, page annexure 2, page 22. We have after getting the advice that you change your, because the stop posts are there very limited in the earlier category. Therefore, we have, my lord, submitted our application for change of conversion of trade, my lord. Page annexure 2. Lordship will find. Then we have been selected. That order, your lordship will find page 23. Shortlisted. Page 23. Lordship got it. Page 23. Letter dated 23rd January 2023.
Yes.
Revised general instruction for the remarcation into other trade categories Assam Rifles. It is intimated that following candidates have been shortlisted for remarcation into other trade. However, the shortlisted candidates are lacking in MR2 and cadre SKT class course qualification as shown against each in normal rule appended below. Our name is, one is Anant Kumar Sharma, first read petitioner. In my lord, it is there in SKT signal at I, my lord. Anant Kumar Sharma. Page 24. SKT signal in the bottom middle. SKT signal.
No, ABC.
SKT signal, then
Anand Kumar Sharma.
Anand Kumar Sharma, and the other petitioner, last name, page 25, my lord. Last name, Suresh Jadhav,
Okay.
Rifleman Safai. It is intimated, yes, Suresh Jadhav. It is intimated that encoder for remastering into other text categories will commence from 6 February 2023 at 25 AR. Respective unit establishment formations are requested to dispatch the above individual who lacking in NCADR to 25 AR by
You also
4th.
like NCADR?
Yes, my lord.
Both of you?
Yes, my
What's NCADR?
NCADR, there is a course name NCADR.
What's the course?
This is their internal, my lord, course, NCADR.
Don't know.
NCADR course.
What's NCADR?
It's a course they have to undergo, my lord, for promotion from rifleman to Havildar.
What course NCADR? What's the code word N? Any forget it. I thought, is it theoretical or practical? I also want to know.
Physical training.
Both.
My lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, we have been accordingly posted for NCADR course, your lordship. Now, your lordship will find final result of the NCADR course, page 28, Annexure 5, my lord. Annexure 5, page 28. My lord, typed copy is there, page 30, your lordship.
Final result sheet.
Yes. Lordship may come to page 29. There, both the names are there. Anand Sharma. After, from the bottom, my lord, 18 and 19. 18 and 7.
Okay.
16 and 17, my lord.
Okay.
16 and 17.
Yeah.
Your lordship will also find final result sheet, page 30. Typed copy I have given on Anand Kumar Sharma. Yes. Anand Kumar Sharma.
Okay.
Serial number 16.
Yes. And Subhash, oh no. 16 is Anand Kumar Sharma. The other one
Only that page I have given, my lord. Sureshi is also cleared. Now,
Sureshi.
Yes. Suresh also cleared. It is in the earlier page is there. Only that portion is typed.
Why you that Anand Kumar Sharma is there? Then where's Subhash Chetri?
My lord, it is page 29. His name
Subhash
is
Chetri
there.
is on here? No.
Suresh Gupta. Yes, Suresh Jadhav. He is there, my lord. He is not in page 30, but in page 29. Page 29.
Number?
Number, my lord, 1617.
16 is
Anand Sharma.
And 17 is Subhash Chetri.
Suresh, my lord.
No, the Subhash Chetri. Where is it? Can't find it, Suresh. Oh, Suresh. She's not here. Where is that one? Final result sheet. Only Anand Kumar Sharma is there.
So thereafter, my lord.
Where is it?
It is not fully typed. Suresh Kumar sir. Umesh Kumar Gupta क्या petitioner number 2. Petitioner number 2 क्या है? Suresh Jadhav ना. My lord, is page 32. After the enquiry course, they were sent to orientation course. Page 32.
No, where's the Suresh Jadhav? Now you're marking Suresh Chetri everywhere. Page 32 also Suresh Chetri.
No, Suresh Jadhav is page 32, my lord.
No, where's Suresh Jadhav?
Suresh Jadhav, page 32.
Where's his name?
In the page 14.
Where's his name? Page 32.
Page 32.
Yes.
In serial 14, my lord.
Okay. So you mark which Chetri here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes.
Anand Sharma, orientation course also they have passed.
Okay.
And there is no dispute in the affidavit filed by them that we have not passed the cadre course, orientation course. There is no dispute on that. Only dispute on the overage, my lord. Then your lordship will find we have been allowed to go for orientation course. And
where's the order of rejection? That's all.
No, there was no order of rejection.
Only.
There was
approval. No, that's saying the overage. Where is that?
Overage in the affidavit. This first time they have come. First time they have come, my lord. First time they have come in the affidavit. In page, my lord, in their affidavit in page.
Yes, where's the affidavit? That's all. Not Mojika. Only ground.
Only ground. That lordship will find page. My lord, page 6 of the affidavit, para 7, last 2 lines, last 3 lines, 3-4 lines. Page 6, para 7, my lord. The petitioners are aware about the age criteria required for having.
Where is that? This one para is 2 pages long. Which part are you reading?
In the affidavit in opposition.
Yes, which para?
Para 7, my lord.
Which line?
The last sentence, my lord.
Last 4 lines, 4-5 lines.
At page 6. And see,
yes,
so.
Yes. Lordship got it. The petitioners were aware about the age criteria required for Havildar.
Sorry, I'll do the after reply. Yes. Page 6. Okay.
Page, internal page 6 of the affidavit in opposition. Yes. In the para 7, in the last part, my lord. The petitioners were aware about the age criteria required for Havildar storekeeper technical signal, which was 35 years. The petitioner number 1 was found to be overaged by 4 months 19 days, and the petitioner number 2 was overaged by 1 month 10 days, respectively.
So, is there any scope for condemnation as per your
There is not, my lord.
ROI or as per your?
There is no provision.
Then even 1 day gone.
And 1.5 years we have gone, my lord, under the code.
No, you see, the thing is that Mr. Chanda here is that if he had qualified straight way without that NCADR requirement, he would have been remustered, right? But the thing is that you have to go to NCADR, and in the course of your NCADR, whatever course, then when you finish that and you were the finalists
they have selected us.
What authorities you have?
No, they have selected also.
Select is different, yes. What authorities do you have? Any other
my lord,
precedent?
Precedent is there, but your lordship has given a rider. Your lordship.
that will not be treated as a
Patra. In Patra's case, in the affidavit in reply.
From this court?
Yes, from this court. In Patra's case, in my affidavit in reply, my lord. In my affidavit in reply.
Lordship passes judgment.
That
will not be treated as a precedent.
Affidavit in reply, my lord.
And that person has been accommodated?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And there, my lord, it was 1 year something. And here only 4, in one case, 4 months.
No, in this case was because he already was discharging his duties as a security engineer. Correct?
Yes.
With no precedent.
No, finally,
you're not, you're still a threshold. After, suppose you are remastered, then you'll go. Otherwise, you're not, this person is already serving.
No, here, my lordship may look into the order itself, my lord. In the background of the fact, wherein
provision for relaxation.
Meaning of criteria, my lord. Para 7, my lord.
In para 6, your lordship observed.
Para 6 and 7.
Para 6, your lordship observed. It is correct, no institution relaxation cannot be claimed as a matter of right, more so with there being no inbuilt provision for relaxation and on the terms being governed by the recruitment rules. The case of petition, however, viewed from a different perspective. But the facts are different in this case.
Reconsider? No, not at all, my lord. Same remuneration. Not at all. I can read out the entire judgment. There, my lord, it is 1 year, something more than 1 year. And here, in one case, 1 month, 10 days. In another case, 4 months, 19 days.
But there's another very important aspect to this, my lord, which has not been placed. Have we done?
No.
Lordship kindly comes to page 19 of the writ petition, my lord. My lord, first I'll take it to page 18, my lord, the previous page.
Yes.
Now, my lord, at serial number 2, Lordship will see there are 4 categories, my lord: SKT engineer, medical, dental operator, and SKT signal. Now, SKT medical, there are only 10 posts, my lord.
Yes.
And SKT signal, there are 62 posts, my lord. They applied for SKT medical, my lord. Now, your lordship kindly turns the page, my lord.
They converted the application to
They converted.
SKT
Now,
signal.
the interesting part, my lord, storekeeper medical, there was no age category, no age bar, my lord. Kindly see page 19, my lord.
No, after, see.
No, they have advised accordingly, my lord.
No, there's no one is sitting there to advise them, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly see storekeeper technical medical, my lord. At page 19.
Yes.
There is no age bar, my lord. The requirements are rifleman with 8 years of regular service.
So even for dental room, it's no age bar.
My lord. But it's
only for
considering that, my lord, there are only 10 posts of storekeeper medical, and there is already 62 applications, my lord. I've said in the affidavit. What they did, they opted to signal, my lord, where there are more number of posts. But they did not realize that there is age bar, my lord, for SKT signal. Now,
At that time, no scrutiny is made.
As many as 18 applications, 18 applicants opted for transferring, my lord, from medical to signal. 16 were within age. These 2 petitioners were over age, my lord. Now it is their doing, my lord. They should have confined to medical, my lord. There was no age bar there.
Your lordship, even in the other case, in the other, your lordship passed judgment. There also he was declared unfit.
No. That time there were no vacancies when he's already qualified.
My lord?
There were no vacancies at a relevant point of time.
No, now they are not disputing with the vacancies.
No, that the case is different altogether. It's not the same. It's different footing.
May I read, my lord, this para 6 and 7, your lordship?
Lordship noted storekeeper signal age limit is 35 years.
No, it is there.
Whereas in medical there was no age.
It is 35. It is 30. Admittedly, I am not disputing that. It is not. I am not.
Your decision shows that the court has discretion whether it can be over and above, due horse the rules. That you can order for relaxation.
My lord, relaxation clause is there, my lord.
Where is it?
Relaxation clause is there in my affidavit. Also, I have in my affidavit in reply, I have stated it. That relaxation clause is there. Please. Para 7 in my page 7, in internal page 7 of my rejoinder affidavit, I have it is further stated that power of relaxation are very much available in the relevant recruitment rules of the year 2015, wherein it is specifically provided that competent authorities are legally entitled to grant relaxation against any of the statutory provision laid down in recruitment rules 2015. As such, there is no difficulties at all on the part.
There's a provision. Where's the provision?
That recruitment rule I have not annexed.
Then?
They not cited the provision also. Which provision?
No, 2015 recruitment, that provision is there.
Where is that? Show it. If the entire case is based upon claiming for relaxation, it should have brought the provision if it applies.
In that case, I'll file that my lord recruitment rule. Signal 20.
Tomorrow, by Monday. You spend so much time hearing the matter. Okay.
After a week, my lord.
You can produce it, Dr. Mojika. I don't think there is. There's earlier case.
Lordship clearly object. There is no provision for it.
Anyway, we'll see. In the course of hearing, Mr. M. Chandana, counsel for the petitioner, please have it out to bring on record the provision that allows relaxation in the Form 15 recruitment rules. So the matter has been heard substantially. In interest of justice, the prayer is allowed.
Item number 6.
Yes, after 2 weeks, yes. We thought we'll finish it off this now. Yes.
6.
But in this matter, there is an interim order operating, my lord, and they relied on a decision of the learned single judge of the Manipur High Court, my lord. That has been overturned by division bench, my lord. And those petitioners, they went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has dismissed the SLU, my lord. So they are squarely covered by those orders.
Where's the orders?
My lord, the Supreme Court, the division bench, the single bench judgment is page 97 of my writ petition. Annexure 11, page 90, annexure 11, page 97, my lord. Single bench. This is also regarding remarstration, my lord. This single bench, the writ petition was, they were sent for civil engineering course. They were riflemen.
Which page?
Page 97.
Start from 97, my lord. 112 is operating.
And para 112, para 23. Para 23. In the result, the writ petition is allowed. The respondent directed to demonstration of the post of petitioners to the rank of Naib Subedar EM, Naib Subedar BNR, JE as initial rank as petitioner 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10 with effect from the date of completion of diploma course, and the petitioners with effect from petitioners 4 and 5 with effect from 19/1/2007, and pay all the service benefits the subsequent post of Subedar and Subedar Major. The said exercise shall be completed within a period of 3 months. Against that, my lord, the respondent preferred, please, my lord, division bench judgment. They placed the matter before the, challenged the order of the learned single judge before the division bench. The division bench, para 11, your lordship. Para 11. Page, internal page 6 of the judgment, my lord. Lordship got it, page 6, my lord. We have carefully perused the pair sought for in the writ petition, and the appellant department has also issued advertisement for direct recruitment. Without challenging the said advertisement, therefore, respondents herein filed writ petition seeking for mandamus in the aforesaid prayer. We are of the view that the learned single judge has not properly considered the matter and passed such an order by allowing the writ petition for granting relief of remarstration of post to the petitioner respondent to the rank of Naib Subedar EM and Naib Subedar BNR, JE as initial rank. Considering of submissions made by the learned counsel appearing for the parties, since the respondent herein have also placed an order dated 5/1/2024, wherein similar relief has been granted, and on this aspect, this court cannot go in the same, but it is for the authority concerned to consider and take appropriate decision if any such relief is granted to the similarly situated persons. Since there is no provision under the rules for upgradation, we have not expressed any opinion on that, as the issue is still pending. In view of the above, this court is inclined to pass the following order. Writ appeals are disposed of. The impugn orders passed by this court is modified. The appellants are directed to consider respondent's representation, appropriate order in accordance with rules, preferably within a period of 12 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of this order. Needless to say that if the respondent herein desire to furnish additional papers, the same shall be done within a period of 4 weeks. Against that order, the petitioner went to Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court.
So you see, it has not been decided on merits at all.
Not merit, not on merit. My lord, Supreme Court. Only Supreme Court said that we are not interfering.
With similar directions as division bench of the Manipur High Court.
Yes, my lord. Similar.
They'll submit a representation. They'll be.
My lord, that will do. That
because there is no representation, it seems here.
and some of the persons have been granted reliefs. In para 12, some of the persons have been granted reliefs.
Take down. Only one petitioner here.
Only one petition.
The petitioner being aggrieved by the impugn order dated 11/7/2024, whereby the respondents had rejected the case of the petitioner for relaxation of the recruitment rules of 1999 for consideration of appointment through remusteration to the post of Naib Subedar as provided in the Assam Rifles Recruitment Rule 1999 is before this court. With the prayer that appropriate directions be passed to just set aside the impugn order direction, and for further directions to the respondents to appoint the petitioner to the post of Naib Subedar within bracket of BNR, bridge and roads of BNR, by way of remusteration in the existing vacant post of Naib Subedar. Stop. It has been submitted by Mr. M. Chanda. As per the recruitment rules, the rule 1999, the respondents are vested with the power of relaxation in the matter of recruitment in the cadre of Naib Subedar.
But here's issue slightly different.
Bracket BNR.
Here we are saying it is a direct recruit post. They are saying it's a remusterable post.
No, that's his submission.
My submission.
I'm going to his submission.
The case is different. Submission is different.
Submission is with the matter of recruitment can Naib Subedar on respect to and that the respondents by the impugn order have come to a perverse finding that there is no provision for remusteration in the Group Rule 99 for filling up the post of Naib Subedar through remusteration, and that the only provision is by way of direct recruitment. Stop. It is also submitted that the services of the petitioner have been used
17 years.
Have been availed of for more than
17 years.
17 years without granting any higher remuneration or allowing any pay or benefits attached to the post of Naib Subedar. Stop. Therefore, praise that the impugn order, being bad in law, be set aside. Yes, and the directions are spread, and we have them to be set aside, and the preparation be allowed. Yes. Next paragraph. Dr. M. Mozika, what is your?
It's a direct recruitment post. There is no provision for remuneration.
Yes. Dr. M. Mozika, in reply, has submitted that for the said post in question, there is no provision for remuneration, but it is a post that we filled up by direct recruitment. What's your further submission?
At Manipur High Court.
It is then submitted that this the similar matter had appeared before the High Court of Manipur, wherein a single bench, by way of order stated, where's the order?
10-10-2019.
That is, my lord, page 97 of in my writ petition.
By way
Page 97.
Order dated 97.
10-10-2019.
By way of WP's had order dated
10-10-2019.
10-10-2019 passed in WPC number 947 2017 had allowed the prayer similarly situated petitioners, of similar situated petitioners, and directions were issued for remonstration with effect from the date of petition diploma was stopped. It submitted that this order was then taken appeal before the division bench, and the same was
modified only, my lord.
Modified to the extent that the respondents were directed to consider the petitioner's representation and the past public orders in accordance with rules. So, it is the Learned Senior Counsel then submitted. The matter was then further
taken to Supreme Court.
Traveled to the Honorable Supreme Court, where the SLP filed against the order and the writ appeal was dismissed. There were submits that
127, 126.
127,
126.
126. The form of writ was traveled to the writ appeal. Oh no, the travel sir taken on appeal. Was taken on appeal. Was given by way of WA number 89 of 2022 and another connected with appeal, and by order dated 2/4/2025, the same was modified. The matter is submitted then travelled to the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein by order dated yes, by order dated 27/1/2026 passed in SLP number so and so, the same to dismiss. Therefore submits that the petitioners being similarly situated, the petitioner being situated, no leave can be forthcoming at this stage itself. However, it is conceded to the extent that the writ petitioner may be allowed to prefer representation.
My lord.
Or prefer representation for consideration.
In terms of the Manipurs.
In view of the fact that he completed a diploma course also.
My lord.
In view of the fact that he satisfies all the requirements.
My lord.
The representatives otherwise has been 3 rounds of litigation. Representatives have been
now in view of the
very detail,
division bench order, my lord.
In view of Mr. M. Chanda submits that though this position may be correct, the matter was never gone to merits, and perhaps the petitioner may be given the same allowance that was given to the petitioners in the petitions that were disposed of before the Manipur High Court. The same is not objected to by Learned Senior Counsel, Senior Counsel for the respondents. This court has heard the Learned Counsel of the parties and also considered the materials which have been placed, especially the court orders. Court orders of the Manipur High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court. Without further linking with the matter and considering the situation of the case and the fact that the respondents in the other cases have been directed to consider the respondents' representations. In the considered view of this court, the same concession can be afforded to the petitioner herein. Stop.
In 17 years I have served my lord.
Accordingly, yes, you file. Accordingly, the writ petition disposes of the direction that the writ petitioner is directed to file
within
representation within
2 weeks, 3 weeks,
within 3 weeks from today, and the respondent is directed to consider the same thereafter in accordance with rules and dispose of the same preferably within a period of 8 weeks thereafter.
Well,
Stop. Strictly in accordance with law.
But the interim order
till some status quo may be maintained.
Yes,
till such time, my lord.
Yes,
Till such time.
as the interim order, until such this full representation, the interim order shall continue.
My lord, deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
Matter stands as in terms of, so accordingly, in terms of the directions contained here and above, the matter stands closed and disposed of this.
Deeply obliged, dear lord.
Item 7.
You refer?
Lordship, on instructions, the state has no objection if the matter is referred to mediation.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, so far we have no instruction, Your Lordship.
Yes, that's why we visit today.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the instruction. Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the instruction required to come from the Executive Council, Your Lordship.
Is it council?
Yes, Your
Then it's
Lordship.
up to 2 weeks, then we'll hear it.
Your Lordship, may the interim.
Forthcoming from the petitioners. This is matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, interim order may continue.
It's already there until further orders. You don't need anything.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
18.
Well, this matter I'm praying for a week's time. In the meantime, I'm praying for a week's time.
Why?
In the meantime, I also want to check the affidavit which is filed by the private respondent.
What's the matter about Mr.
Regarding school
Team is
teacher.
salary. Salary, Lordship.
Regarding school teacher.
7th whom? Yes, Mr.
Respondent number 8.
Your Lordship, I am appealing for respondent number 8.
Who's number 8?
The private respondent, Lordship.
I am appealing for respondent number 8, Your Lordship.
One of the teacher who's supposedly working in the school.
You're working in the school?
Yes, I am working in the school, Your Lordship.
Why you want time?
Well, at least I'll go through the affidavit. Next
You're
week,
not gone through the affidavit. When was it filed?
it was probably filed sometime last year.
It was filed on Lordship in the month of October. 22nd October.
I'm not sure because
You're not able to look at it till now.
well, I'll ask for a copy, madam.
From whom?
From the private respondent.
You didn't
I'll
get a copy?
get a copy from him.
You didn't copy private respondents. You didn't get a copy. You didn't give a copy to State Council, Mr. Paske.
I have served them the copy, Your Lordship.
I'll find out, madam. Kindly allow me next week.
This kind of submission won't work with the brother. Yes, due to difficulty expressed by Mr. Kiwarachi, Leonard State Council, is the matter of 2 weeks. Yes.
19.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I seek apologies. I couldn't mention this early in the morning. As I was on election before courtroom number 3, I pray the matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This is the bifurcation of a village, Lordship, in Ribhoi district.
My Lord, my village is suffering, my Lord, because my village was in existence even prior to the Administration of Ilakas Act, my Lord, of 1991. And even the CE, my Lord, they have all acknowledged, my Lord. Now, my Lord, what is happening is we cannot even constitute.
You're not the aggrieved party. You are respondent.
No, I am the aggrieved party because of their disturbance.
These facts are in dispute, Lordship.
No, because of the
You're not aggrieved. We didn't come with a petition here.
Yes,
Right?
Lordship.
I did not come, but because of my Lord, because of their petition, my Lord, because of the disturbances from the Minsign village, my Lord, we cannot function anymore as an independent village, my Lord.
After the case was filed.
That is highly improbable, Lordship. As their claims have suggested, they have been functioning as a full-fledged village.
Now also.
That's the contention, Lordship.
Now, my lord,
But as it is,
now we cannot even form our VEC, my lord. We have written to the BDO, my lord, because
he is not reviewing the matter.
And the CM is a necessary party, Lordship, in the matter.
because we are asking for constitution of the VEC, my lord, because we are losing out all the employment schemes and all, my lord. All KHATC, my lord, we need to apply NOC from KHATC.
Going into those aspects would touch upon the merits of the case, which require a full hearing, Lordship.
And also, my lord, this is a challenge, my lord. The order was passed, my lord, way back in the year 2013. After
Is there an interim order here? No.
No, Lordship, there's no interim.
This on the preemptive due to the absence of High Council.
A week.
2 weeks, yes.
One. My lord.
Deeply obliged.
20. 20.
No one is appearing this matter. The last order says one.
Yes. Today also there is no appeal on behalf of the petitioner. Only matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
25.
This is a matter where I have been terminated after 22 years of service on the ground that I am an ad hoc.
Who's appealing for this?
Mr. Kharwan Lang along with senior counsel.
Call him. Where is he?
Just see if he's there. Okay.
He been superseded?
Lordship, here what had happened is I have been serving for about 22 years.
22 years?
Yes, since 1998 till 24. Now because of a issue that one of my relatives had apparently impersonated me to avail appointment in a school. Ministerial inquiry was directed for criminal proceedings transpired. I was discharged of all liabilities. Now, my lord, when that entire matter essentially exonerated me from the charge, they issued this letter in the month of June 24 saying that my appointment has been temporary, so I don't need any departmental proceedings or any hearing. I am terminated. And that apart, they have asked for me to refund my entire salary, which I have drawn since 1998, Lordship. So that is the position now, Lordship. And whereas in their own inquiry conducted by the magistrate as well as by the police authorities, I have been exonerated, Lordship, from that charge.
Yes, Mr. Karunan. Is that correct?
Hello?
Is that correct?
No, my lord. The inquiry with regards to the DP which was initiated by the education department. So basically, my lord, in a nutshell, this person is holding dual posts. One in education department as some teacher, and one as some as a ad hoc officiate in the Sussex of his lordship. Now, lordship, upon the education department, upon finding that he is also having a dual post, dual job in the government,
yes,
has initiated DP against him, disciplinary proceedings against him, and he was suspended from service. And
both the jobs,
my lord,
both the jobs suspended.
My lord, I'm coming to that. My lord, so he was
no DP was drawn against me.
So DP was initiated against him, and upon initiation of disciplinary proceedings, his services were suspended in accordance to law. The education department, upon initiation of the disciplinary proceedings, informed the Sussex department of such proceedings, and Sussex department discontinued its services.
So he's again discontinued to the Sussex department here.
And the recovery of my salary since 1998.
My lord, hence I come to my prayer, or the petition's prayer. If I can take your lordship to page number 28.
Yes.
Direct the concerned respondent to take necessary action for regularization of the petitioner's service in the post of field assistant from date of joining. My lord, he's already having a post, assistant teacher in the education department. DP is already has been initiated and still continuing right now. Now, can the court grant that relief?
I don't know. I think my friend has convoluted the facts. Kindly see page 67, lordship.
Who are you?
I
You have
am
a dual personality.
Nothing like that, Lordship.
Then
Kindly see page
you're working
67.
same time, two places.
Not at all, Lord. Kindly
Then
see page
what do you mean
67.
not at all?
Kindly see page 67. Lordship, the allegation is that I was appointed as a field assistant in 1998, and during my service as a field assistant, I have applied for a post of assistant teacher and gotten that job. It was found out that someone had impersonated me, one Mr. Duplin Sangma, who is from a relative of mine, to get that assistant teacher job. A ministerial inquiry was conducted. This is
now you mean to say that you were working in the beginning from this
in this
the
field
office
assistant
right?
only. Lordship, yes.
Then someone has impersonated you.
I have never
Why?
gone to that school. I have
You
lost.
because
I have
you
lost
withdraw it and
FIRs
you
also.
file-
Kindly
you file,
see.
you file, you institute.
Kindly, no.
You file criminal case against other person.
Yes, all that is done. Kindly see, Lordship, page 67. I have written to the my epic and everything has been impersonated. I have kindly see page 67. This is after the magisterial inquiry done at the departmental level. They advised, Lordship, that
No, what advice? Forget the advice.
Kindly,
No,
kindly.
What is? Show me some tangible to show that you have any that has been established.
Lordship,
that,
yes. Kindly
you're
see,
a
my lord.
victim of duplicity.
Yes, kindly see.
where?
This is the, my lord, advised by the department to initiate criminal
Forget
charge.
this advice.
Now, the criminal charge.
You can just give anybody can give advice.
Now, kindly see,
Even
my lord.
you can even your friend can go and file a case in court. Everyone can say that. Then
Kindly see page 68. FIR is lodged.
Yeah. Then
by the director.
What happened to this fellow?
An entire investigation charge sheet is kindly see charge sheet is filed in the form of a FR.
What happened?
Now, FR against me. Page annexure 16, page 71. This is the charge sheet. And Lordship may kindly see.
Why FR? We accepted this also.
Kindly see, my lord. Now here.
How can it end FR if you say that that person is there teaching the school?
No, till now the criminal case is pending against him. I have been discharged.
And he is still serving.
No. He has been. I have never gone to the school. I have nothing to do with the school. It's somewhere in my lord. Some in North Garo Hills. One Nang Gliding Government LP school. My lord, if I would have applied in a government school while having a service in the government, they would have kicked me out in the first instance. My lord, what has happened is someone has impersonated me. I have lodged a complaint to that, and kindly see, my lord, FIR is filed, charge sheet is filed, order at page 90 by the magistrate, by the Chief Judicial Magistrate of South Garo Hills. Kindly see page 90, my lord.
You see what you did here. The other person filed case, your own brother.
My cousin brother.
Then? Now, what you've done, you've been very smart. You applied for a job, you put him as a proxy teacher there.
Not at all, Lordship. Not at all. There is nothing.
Missing it.
Lordship, kindly see page 90, my lord.
You go to other
Kindly see page 90, Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly see page 90, my lord.
Sorry, Mr.
If Lordship may just hear me out for 10 minutes, Lordship.
I'm
I'll
not
not
hearing
take.
you. 10 minutes also.
My lord, kindly see page 90, Lordship. Page 90. After full investigation by the police, I have been discharged, Lordship.
Discharge means from what?
There is no evidence against me in the
Against what?
with regard
Forget
to
about the criminal
impersonation.
case.
With regard to
Forget the
impersonation,
criminal case.
Lordship.
What's happened with the proceedings within the department?
Now, thereafter, Lordship, I have been discharged. Thereafter, they issue me a show cause at page 91, saying that I have held 2 posts.
Yes.
Now, I give my reply, Lordship, without any
appointee from the beginning, 98.
That is what they say now, Lordship. And once I give my reply, without any DP, Lordship, kindly see the impugn order at page 97. Without any hearing, without any consideration, they say, my lord, that as the department proceeding is
You
initiated.
never regularized at any point of time.
How can they say that now, Lordship?
How?
From
Why can't
19
you see it?
others
Those
have-
order appointment, we even recognize the field assistant and the department.
Lordship, that is also there. That has come through before this honorable court also earlier.
Where? Sure.
Lordship, may I kindly see? Page 31A is my appointment. It was on the recommendation of the selection committee.
3F, Lordship.
3F. Then?
And thereafter, my lord, there's a round of litigation.
Sorry, you'll have to suffer for you have to suffer the consequences.
And everyone has been regularized. Now, my lord, they come and tell me that you have never been regularized, so I have just terminated without a DP.
Was initiated on.
We'll give them the opportunity to argue. You can bring authority issue this kind of thing. Putting proxy teacher will dispose.
Lord, that is on one part of the facts. The other part is how they have done the procedure.
Any DP, they can just sack you like that.
Lordship, first they issue me a show cause under Rule 9, then they on the next day they say that it is not applicable.
Found that you're not a regular employee.
Since
But
22
then you
years,
can't
Lordship.
appoint someone else in your paper.
I have not.
Your
I
own
have
brother.
not.
If some stranger can understand.
Lordship, I have not.
Impersonation.
I have
now you
not.
appoint your brother in a school using your credentials and your qualifications.
I have not, my
He's
lord.
appointed. He's your brother. You don't know where he's working.
Lordship, he is my cousin brother. He is not my own brother or anything.
But he's your cousin brother, right?
Lordship,
Then
yes.
you didn't realize where he's working.
Lordship, I had no idea. I came to know when
That
they
means
issued
he
me the
took
show
your
cause.
He took your papers, your signatures.
What he did, my lord, is he put his photo, my photo in his epic card and applied for the job.
He put his photo on your epic card.
Yes, he
How did he do
interpolated
that?
it. And I have lodged a FIR and an affidavit also to the DC.
You're weaving a fantastic case.
Lordship, this is the factual. I understand there is a little.
A fantastic case. We expect this court to swallow what you're submitting.
Lordship, because these are on record. And
Maybe
all
the
of
person who appointed your brother might have swallowed it, but not this court.
all of this, my lord, what
is writ large in the entire facts is what?
Lordship, what I am saying is.
Put yourself in the shoes of the Karwan.
Absolutely.
What do you see?
Lordship, my only
What do you see?
submission
A person
is
was working there.
Taking from two. I understand that, Lordship. But what I'm saying is, had I had any involvement in this entire impersonation,
We're not going to go through that. We're not going to go through that.
Well, if someone without my knowledge takes a job, one fine day after 20 years of service, I get a show cause, my lord, that you are holding dual posts. I explain to them. Without anything, my lord.
Happily enjoying two salaries.
Absolutely. I have never drawn. Let them show one day, my lord, where I have drawn the salary of assistant teacher.
Then who signed for the how did he sign?
He signed in his own name.
In his own Singdin Marak?
Yes.
Not in your name?
No.
He signed his own name. You sure about that?
Duplin. His name is Duplin K. Sangma or
He signed his
something.
own name.
In the school.
As substitute teacher.
In the school.
As what? A substitute teacher?
No. He put it as a assistant teacher only.
No.
I had never applied.
He signs attendance as what? As proxy teacher or as
As a regular.
You sure about that?
Yes, Lordship. That is why
What is the records?
in the criminal trial, nothing has come against me.
It's a government school.
It's a government school, my lord.
Yes.
This could.
In the course of hearing, it is deemed necessary that the records of attendance and withdrawal of salary by the who is that?
My name is Sengdin K. Sangma. The person who was there is Duplin K. Sangma. In the school's name is Lordship.
Which year this was it detected?
Lordship, I got a notice in 2019.
Yes. Then you produced the record 2019.
Let them produce the entire record of the inquiry and the criminal proceeding, my lord. I have been.
Not necessary. Yes, Mr. S. Kalananga, in the course of hearing, deemed that some records of the school. And so, what's the name of the school?
My lord, name of school is
Nangilding
Nongiding Government Nongiding.
Where is it?
My lord, page 8A of my reply, my lord.
Page 8 is yes unnecessary to certain as to who has drawn the salary.
Nangilding Government LP School.
And signed attendance book. According attendance and salary register reproduced for the years. When was he appointed?
My lord,
as a teacher?
As assistant teacher, lord.
Lordship, may kindly. This was in 2017, Lordship.
2017 to 19.
2017 to
3 years.
Well,
Lordship.
Just after 3 weeks. Yes. We'll see whose signature is there.
Lordship.
Just for, don't expect getting the relief. Just for.
Lordship.
Do you have any case at all?
No, that is one part. The other part is how will I refund my entire salary from
Refund it.
1998, Lordship? When I have never served, I have never got.
My lord, also one point.
Obliged, Lordship.